How does sorted dict.get work for duplicate values? Suppose I have a dictionary in Python and I sort the keys by values as follows. This works fine, but if I have collisions in my dictionary with respect to values, it seems to me that in case of duplicates, the list is sorted by its order, numerical order or insertion order, not the sorted order, in the dictionary. Can I assume it to be true for all cases? Edit 1. My keys will be integers, and in case the values collide, I want the resulting keys to be sorted by their values highest first. Edit 2. Adding the following parameter helps my question. But, in my case, I want the values to be sorted in ascending, but the keys to be sorted in descending. The following will result in both to descending. Key equals lambda x, x1, x0.
Python sort algorithm, timsort, is a stable sort, so any items that have the same sort value are kept in the order they were in before sorting. When sorting dictionary keys, that means they are kept in the same order as returned by dict.keys or when iterating over the dictionary. Do note that this ordering is arbitrary, and not stable across changes to the dictionary. Otherwise, yes, you can assume that to be true for all cases. As pointed out by Stephen Rumblesky, you can take the key along with the sorting to stabilize same value sorting ordering.
It is not true. When the values are the same, the dictionary is sorted on keys. Here is the modified example.
This is probably close to what you're looking for, using PyP. The treep stuff is at this URL. Note that I've flipped the keys and values. In some problems that's beneficial, while in yours it may or may not be.